Yeah, I looked her up. This is a real news source right here. That's a real nation's newspaper telling us about real issues. Did you read this on the CDC? CDC.gov website? Hmm. Pretty interesting there. You might want to freeze frame it and read that. So enough from credited newspapers and the CDC. Let's recap. See the dingly cobra? See the conical hat? The ball on top? The familiar eye coming in interplanetary magnetic field lines, which by definition means this has nothing to do with Earth or its magnet. This is one that stands alone. That's why your fucking moon's doing cartwheels, because this thing turned us on our side 10 years and 6 months ago. Have a good day.